Surprise, we're back with a special edition of Learning Laybacks. Today we're gonna do a trick I've never seen anybody else do, and it is the double Harreld plant. Let's go. Okay, so before you can learn this trick, there's a few other things you wanna do first. The first thing, go back and watch episodes 1 through 6. If you're trying to do this and you cannot do a layback rock and roll, you're doing it wrong. Go back, watch all those. The second thing, if you're not doing it in a varsity skateboarding hat, it doesn't count. Don't do it. Go buy a hat right now. I'll put the link in the description to our web store. Every single purchase supports our non-profit. And third, the best way to do this is when you're subscribed to our channel. So make sure to go subscribe to our channel. We're gonna do a few more tutorials, and maybe, just maybe, I'll show you how to actually do this one. But in all seriousness, this one is a super fun one to do. I've not seen anybody else do it. If you can do it, man, do it, film it, send it to me, put it in the comments below. If you can do this trick, 2 flips, I will send you something in the mail. I don't know what it will be, but I promise you, if someone else can do this trick, put it in the comments below. I will send you some mail. Maybe I'll Venmo you some money or something. But yeah, I've never seen anyone do it. So if you can do it, send it to me. I want to see it. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. We're gonna do more tutorials, probably no more layback ones, because we're gonna end on that one and call it good. Make sure to subscribe, comment, share this video with your friends, and make sure to learn how to do it. And as always, thanks for hanging.